Hello, everyone. With us coming back into session, there's been some questions around how we can ensure if we want to show a video, our students at home and our students in the classroom can both see and hear it without an issue. So we're going to take a moment and show you how that's done. The first thing that we are going to need you to do is to establish a connection to your Action Tech. You will do this much like you always have by either coming over and swiping in from the right or coming down here and giving a click, clicking to project, clicking connect to a wireless display, and then finding the Action Tech out of the list that shows up. Action Tech should either display a name or be named as your room number. Go ahead and click yours and allow it to connect. Once the Action Tech has established its connection, it course that we're allowed to use. The thing we're going to do before we join our Teams meeting is we're going to make sure our settings are correct. We need to come up, click on our little personal icon, and go to our settings. Come over here to devices, and we're going to check our speaker setting. Now our settings should say digital output and then the Action Tech name that you've connected to. If not, click the down arrow and find that Action Tech in the listing that you see here. Make sure it's selected, and once that's done, you may close this window. After that, we need to make sure that the surface is set up to send its audio over to the Action Tech. To do that, come down here to the bottom, give this little up arrow a click, and you'll see a speaker. Click the speaker, and it's going to bring up a window, and it's going to tell you what it's pushing the audio to. Again, just like in Teams, it should say digital output, and then the Action Tech name. If it does not, go ahead and click the little arrow here, and again, find it in the list that shows up and select it. Now that we've made that selection, we are good to go. Go ahead and join your Teams meeting like you always have. And when you go to share your screen, make sure you do turn on include system audio, that little tab in the top left-hand corner of the screen share side. Once that is done, you are good to go. Your audio will come through on the TV speakers as well as to the kids at home at that point. Thank you very much.